Hello, everybody. This will be a quick Bitcoin and Ethereum update on this Sunday morning at March the 20th. Anyways, just local resistance above us. I took a Fibonacci retracement from the swing high up here, right up here, to the swing low right now, and we get a local resistance at around 42,000. There's not much confluence there, so I wouldn't really rely off of it being a short, but it could make for a nice quick scalp trade. But the major levels that I'm looking at for supports is this golden pocket right here, this 786, which is coming around 41,000 roughly. If we tend to lose that, I'll look for this 786 down here, along with confluence in the naked daily point of control at around 45,596 or 40,596 roughly. So this will be a good range to kind of look for a long. I tend to sense that this will be a better long opportunity than this one due to this having more confluence. Usually when there's a naked daily point of control in a fib, it tends to provide pretty decent support for Bitcoin. Anyways, moving on to the 1 hour, we do have a wick at around 42,698. If we do break above that, that could be a nice short for a swing failure pattern. And really, if we do lose these supports, there's not much below us. We do have a wick coming around 37,000. So that's very well below us. We do also have this 786 that we never touched, coming around 36,580. And then of course we do have this major trend line from the daily time frame that will provide very good support at around 35,500 roughly, along with a naked daily point of control and a daily support level. For resistances above us, we do have this trend line from up here that is in confluence with a daily level coming in at around 45,500. If we do break above that, expect higher at around 46,700 roughly to 47,000. It is also a major fib level of a 0.5 fib and a 382 fib level. Now just looking at the oscillator, we did get the MoneyFlow crossover on the daily level to the positive. And the last time this happened was right here. And that was a very, very nice pump that marked pretty much the bottom of the July-June range from last summer. Also right here did provide a good pump, and it did end pretty much the COVID bottom on the bottom. And so that's just something to be looking out for. On the 7-day, we did get that money refresh crossover. The RSIs do look to be oversold, so this could provide good legs for Bitcoin, along with the weekly time frame, kind of similar. Also, this 2-day I've been keeping my eye on. I think in this week or next week or so, we could get a green dot, which could provide a domino effect, especially onto the monthly time frame, where it could push up that VWAP up into almost the zero line and maybe provide a green dot on the day or monthly, which would provide a very nice pump. Last time that happened, it led Bitcoin to all-time highs. So just something to keep an eye on. Moving on to Ethereum. I don't know what happened there. Oops. Moving on to the 12-minute, just going down to local levels. We do have a local resistance up here at around 2,937. That could make for a decent scalp play based off of the 3-minute, just looking at time frames. If not, we do have support down here, confluence of a 382 in this trend line that we did break out of. And so we could retest this as support and then just kind of continue upwards. Of course, it depends on really what Bitcoin wants to do, but this could make for a nice long opportunity based on really the 12-minute to 6-minute to possibly the 24-minute even could make for a very nice long. If not, we could lose that and come down to the 0.5, where we do have a naked daily point of control at around 2,800. If not, we do have a golden pocket at around 2,751, along with a daily kind of in confluence. Also below that, we do have a major support of a golden pocket and a 786 from this golden pocket lining up at around 2,700, so 2,690 roughly, give or take. And so that is major supports that I'm kind of looking at, local supports. We do have above us, we do have a naked daily point of control at around 3,000. I don't think that's too strong of resistance or something to be really looking at for a decent short, but it could make for a good scalp. Anyways, above that, we do have another naked daily point of control at around 31,058. This is also in confluence from a point of control from this whole range here. Along with, if we do end up coming up more, we could possibly see 3,400 ETH, and this would make for a nice short because this is in confluence with a point of control from this range over here, along with a 0.5 from the whole all-time high back in December. And so we're going to do some analysis on just the user market cipher now. Again, we did get a MoneyFlow crossover into the green, just like Bitcoin. However, the RSIs kind of look spread apart and there's momentum to the upside. And so this could cool off possibly and come back down into the red, but I wouldn't really rely on it. I think this is a solid momentum play on the daily time frame. 2-day, we do have MoneyFlow kind of coming up. 3-day, MoneyFlow still coming up. 7-day, again, we still have MoneyFlow just kind of dwindling down to the zero line, but we do have a previous, we did have a green dot that printed from last week. Same with the weekly time frame, where we are getting a green dot printing right now. And again, this 2-week time frame, I expect it to play out, a green dot happening on the next week or so. And this could provide a pretty good pump, which could lead to the monthly time frame getting a green dot as well if I come to the Coinbase chart. So that could be a very, very nice pump. And so that is pretty much it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. Plus, I'll leave a link to a free Discord in the description where I post all my trades, along with other crypto-related ideas. Thanks. Bye.